Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Crypto Rockets, your go-to source for the latest in crypto analysis and market trends. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscription button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Okay, today we are diving deep into the bullish potential of some promising cryptocurrencies, so let's get started. Before we jump into the analysis, a quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The cryptocurrency we'll be analyzing today are Flame USDT, Fear USDT, Falcon USDT, and AOG USDT. So let's start with Flame USDT, okay? Go to your trading view and you type Flame USDT. Flame USDT. Okay. Flame USDT is on KuCoin, Mexi, Bybit. I will leave the link on my description below in case if you don't have an account on KuCoin, Bybit or Mexi. I will also leave all the links on my description below. Okay, so we'll go to this first one, KuCoin, and click on it. So on my chart here, I'll be using RSI and MACD. Okay, as you can see, this is the chart on a daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, there is support here. Okay, there is support here. The coin in question is launched on has been launched for a very long time. Okay, let me see. It have launched on 2021. Okay, so we'll go ahead and look on what Flame is all about. Okay, I'll go to CryptoRank and check the Firestarter, which is the Flame, and Firestarter is a launch pad for metaverse project. Firestarter facilitates the token pre-sale of metaverse project and communities, amplifying through culture and incubating for long-term success. Okay, initial metaverse offering introduction, the IMO incubated project with a metaverse integrations and solutions. Okay, powered by communities from around the world. Okay, so Firestarter price today, Firestarter is current is 0.05656. It has increased plus 0.14% over the past 24 hours. Okay, and Fireflame is launched on a Polygon network. Okay, and let's see the market where this token has been listed on. Okay, this token has been listed on Mexi, KuCoin, Ascendex, and QuickSwap. Okay, so let's dive in on the chart analysis of this particular token. Okay, so if we go to this place right now, as you can see, it is sitting on a support level here, making a higher high. Okay, and if I should carry my line here and drop, okay, we'll be waiting for this to break this particular resistance. Okay, let it break this particular resistance like this. Okay, and retest, then we'll buy. Okay, look at it right here. It will go up, retest, and then we'll buy. Okay, you can also use the trend line. I'm seeing some trend lines right here. Okay, some trend lines right here. Okay, so this might retest here. It might retest here and start going up like this. Okay, and where are we supposed to take profit here? We're supposed to take profit exactly at this point, or at this is take profit 1, and this is final take profit. You can take your profit here too, and also this place I'm marking are the take profit positions. Okay, you can take your profit here, and you can take your profit here also. These are the resistance levels. Okay, they are the strong resistance levels, so you be minding to take your profit at this point. Okay, you take it partially so that you will not lose out of everything. Okay, now as you can see, our MACD has shifted from bearish to bullish right here, and they have crossed and also moving up. Okay, and our RSI is also moving up to the overbought zone. Okay, for it to reverse. Okay, so as it's still trending up, that means this particular cryptocurrency have a potential opportunity of going up. Okay, that's for Flame USDT. Okay, so the next one we'll be talking about today is fear. Okay, fear USDT. If we go to our trading view chart and type fear USDT, okay, and choose this first one here. Okay, as you can see, fear have pumped before and now sitting at this support level. Okay, it's sitting at this support level, making showing some bullish sign right here. Okay, if we go to CryptoRank to check about this particular token, okay, we'll be seeing that this is Ethereum. This launched on Ethereum network. Okay, it's launched on Ethereum network. And what is this coin all about? Okay, if we go to more details and watch what this coin is all about. Okay, what is fear? Okay, fear NFT developed animated original horror-based blockchain NFT games targeting teenagers and youth adults, with the majority of the gamer based being 80% male and 20% female in an age of 14 to 26, utilizing their large users base and strong organic brand value. They aim to enrich its gaming experience of existing and new players by introducing game assets, ownership, and interactivity via Ethereum. Their success will be reflected in the ERC20 Fear coin, which will benefit long-term holders and its gamers. Okay, and as we all know that this particular gaming tokens recently have been pumping recently. AI tokens, gaming tokens have been pumping recently, and this one will not be in exemption. Okay, so this fiat token have been listed on Mexi, CoinW, Bitmart, BingX, Mexi, and Get.io. Okay, so that's it for this fiat coin. So if we go to the chart analysis, as you can see, it's already sitting at the support level here. After this pump, after this particular massive pump right here, it went down, it went up again, and then down, up, and now it's sitting at this particular level to this level. Okay, so next thing we'll be expecting is for it to start going up like this. Okay, so I'm going to stay positioned for this particular token right now. Okay, so if we carry our support and resistance block and draw here, as you can see, we have a resistance level here. Okay, and we also have a resistance level here. Yes, so right here, in this at this particular point right here, okay, so at this particular point right here, sorry, yes, at this particular point right here. So we'll be expecting this to break this particular resistance level like this. Okay, retest and now continue moving up. Now the bonus tips I'm going to give in this particular place is that once you are seeing it like this, breaking above this particular support resistance, sorry, all you need to do is to go to lower time frame and see this particular retest. Okay, you might not see this retest on this higher time frame. You go to like 15 minutes to see this particular retest, or 5 minutes as the case might be. Just make sure you find this retest and it will show you a bullish pattern here, and so that you is either engulfing or any pattern at all that show you a bullish pattern at this particular point. Okay, at this particular point it will show you some pattern, bullish pattern. You will now enter and you set your stop loss right here. Your stop loss will be right here, and now your first take profit will be right here, and the second take profit will be right here. Okay, and if you still want to hold it, you can still hold it to this place, but always take partial profit, as I always tell you guys, right? I always tell you guys, always take partial profits. Okay, so make sure you take all these partial profits like this. You will take at this point, you also take at this point partial profits. Okay, like you will be taking like 50% here, 50% here, 50% here of that particular token, right? So that's it for this fear. Now the next one we'll be going for is, so the next one is Falcon Inu. Okay, so is here, right here on my trading view chart. So we'll go to CoinMarketCap and find out what is Falcon Inu. Falcon Inu combines meme culture with DeFi and NFTs powered by Falcon token. It includes Falcon's card games, a market making, and a dynamic metaverse, promoting community involvement, decentralized governance, and strategic alliance for an innovative blockchain ecosystem. Okay, so and this particular token is listed on get.io alone. Okay, so Falcon analysis, okay, as you can see, is sitting at this very support right here. And this little one, this little support here, look at it right here. Okay, and there is trend line here. There's trend line here. So waiting to break this trend line and give us a retest in a lower time frame for us to enter. So if this should break it above here, retest here, and give us uptrend right here. So where are we going to be taking our profit? First profit will be here. Okay, and the second profit will be somewhere here. Now if you want to hold aggressively, you can go up, but I can target here also and take my profit. I can also hold it if it's still going up, and also hold somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, right here. Okay, so that's just for Falcon. The last but not the least is Age of Gods. Okay, and if we go to our crypto rank, and Age of Gods is a smart chain, listed on smart chain, and Age of God is play to earn NFT action card games. Okay, if you notice, all the analysis I'm doing today, all of them are on gaming listing. Okay, they are all gaming platforms. Okay, so as I said earlier when I started this video, that gaming platforms or gaming cryptocurrencies have been pumping for a while right now, and you can also find be the one of the person to find this opportunity to trade on this on time to make a potential profit for yourself. Okay, so if we go to this Age of Grace, okay, as you can see, is sitting at support level right here. Okay, and also making some bullish, and there is some bearish candle here. Okay, so if we use our trending line tool and draw it right here. Okay, and if there is a support here too, if there is a support here, sorry, okay, let me use this trending line. If there is a support here, or let me use this. Okay, if there is support here, as you can see, there is a lot of support right here. So what we'll be waiting for right here is for this to break above D. Okay, break above this and retest here, and also give us a very nice move to upside. Okay, so where are we going to find our take profit and stop loss? Our stop loss will be here. Okay, and our take profit, first take profit will be this place. Our first take profit, this place, second take profit, third, and also till here. Okay, you'll be taking your profit one after the other, taking it step by step, 50%, 20%, 30%. Okay, please don't be greedy. Okay, just take it step by step so that you will not lose everything. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this analysis. Okay, if this has the most bullish potentials. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crypto Rocket for more in-depth crypto analysis and market updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.